welcome you to Stobly, and it will be my pleasure to take you through the Stobly products and solutions. So first of all, about Stobly Group, we are a mechatronic solution provider. We have different wide range of product line in different industries. Stobly was founded in 1892, and it is a family-owned organization. We have four divisions in Stobly: robotics, textile, and connectors. In connectors, we have two divisions: fluid connector and electrical connectors. Global presence, Stobly is a global group. We have 29 business units in different countries. We have 600, more than 600 R&D specialists. We have 14 production units. We are catering to 20 different, more than 20 rather, different industry segments. And of course, we have 20, more than 2100 patented products. So in electrical connectors, we are into solutions for the need of especially the electrical market. So we have connectors for power, data transfer, fiber optics, coaxial applications, and photovoltaic. As far as markets are concerned, we are catering to almost all the markets of the industry: aeronautics, alternative fuels, automotive, chemical, machinery, steel, nuclear, motorsports, railway, power industry, renewable energy. So in our connectors, we have our core technology which we use, which is called as multilam. Multilam is a electrical contact which we use inside our connector, which makes sure that there is a minimum contact resistance and you have a long lasting durable connector with high mating cycle and which gives you efficient flow of current. So in the next slide, we will see what are the advantages of, using this multilam, or you can say electrical contact inside our connectors. It provides you high current carrying capacity. Uh, as I told, minimum power losses, minimum contact resistance. If the contact resistance is minimum, it makes sure that your contacts are durable. It will withstand long time. It will help you to provide, high operating temperatures, which is up to 350 350 degree. It is usable in any environment: air, insulating oil, or gas, or vacuum. And of course, especially for railway side or machinery applications where the vibrations are very high, we provide a high resistance to vibration. And we use it in round, flat, and spherical types. And it is very good against corrosion resistance also. So our core technology is we use that electrical contact in our every connector. So now, as this presentation and this session is about Industry 4.0. So first I will show you how we are helping different industries with our solutions which are catering to 4.0, and then I will talk about it in detail. So let me show you a video about it. So that was a video which showed you the connector which is used in machinery, railways, automotive, and the application, limited application was shown in the video. But especially when you want to make your system towards automation, our connectors are helping. So in later slides, I will show you a video where you will see that automatic operation is happening with the help of our connector. So again, adding to the need of Industry 4.0, we have two different modules which are part of Combitech, like data, Ethernet, and data, video, audio, and RF. So these are the modules which are being used by the customers with data internet. Ethernet, you can use Cat6, Cat6a, Profinet, Profibus, any kind of communication, we have contacts for them. And for RF also, with RG cables, we have RG59, RG58, or for that for that also we have contacts. So now as we talk about the connector, we call it Combitech. In Combitech, we have two product lines, Combitech Unique and Combitech Direct. In Combitech Unique, it is for high performance applications where the mating cycle needed by the application is more than 1 lakh. And for Combitech Direct, it is for middle to high performance applications where the mating cycle is 10,000. In Combitech Unique, we have contacts, signal, power, pneumatic, fluid, data, all those contacts. And in our Combitech Direct, we have contacts of three different types: signal, power, and pneumatic. So again, both the connectors are customized. It caters to almost all the need from, from the industry. So we have segregated based on the performance or application demand. And if I talk about the difference between unique and direct, uniquely adapted and customizable, that's why we have got this unique. And Q is for the quality, and for Combitech Direct, direct insertion of parts without use of tool. So the best part about direct is you don't even need a tool to insert the contacts or the parts. And Q is again stand for quality. So we will talk about what is the need of modular and customized solution. Because modular solutions are designed to combine various connection type in single connector. Simple example is, suppose in your application you are using 3 or 4 different type of connectors. By one you are using for signal, another one you are using for power, and maybe one more for pneumatic or fluid contact. So we are providing you a connector which will combine your contacts, and it will help you to save your space, save your cost, save your time, and it helps you to eliminate lot of errors which can happen while the system is under process. So, and yes, it's a modular solution, you can customize it, like I told, power, data, signal, fluid, air combined in a single connector. You can see it here in the picture as well. All the contacts are there. And here you can see it is again, it shows that all the cables or for pneumatic connection, fluid connection, how it will look like as a end product. So numerous contact types can be added to the configuration: power, signal, high voltage, high current, data transmission, pneumatic, fluid, thermocouple, and optical fiber. You can see in this configuration, every contact is added here. Now, in different type of applications, you need different kind of mounting. So we have panel mount and DIN housing as well. So panel mount mostly is used where you need a automatic connection. Then you use a panel mount connector. You can see here you can mount directly on the panel, and it will give you alignment, also misalignment of 1 mm plus minus 1 mm. And again, it is for high mating cycle, 1 lakh up to 1 lakh, fast connection, automation, robotics. Yes, manual connection when Combitech is built in sliding equipment. That is also there. Sliding equipment means it can be battery swapping, it can be any other application as well. And tin mounting, tin housing is mostly when you need a manual connection. When you need safety against external elements like water, dust, or chemical. It in turn it provides you IP protection. So that time you use tin housings. So if I talk about panel mounting Combitech, as I said, high mating cycle automatic connection up to 1 lakh. End piece with float mounting feature for misalignment compensation. So here you can see plus minus 1 mm tolerance for the connector. So it will provide you a 1 mm tolerance, which will make sure that if some misalignment is there in the system, connector only will take care of it. And we have we deliver these connectors with modules with us, and based on the customer demand, we will immediately ship it to the customer. And of course, as you can see, sorry, as you can see, it comes in adjustable sizes also. It is a smaller one and it is a bigger connector. So adjustable sizes from 18 to 180 mm. So here, as you saw, we were providing you only 1 mm tolerance for that particular connector. But if we talk about the product line we have end pieces till tolerance of plus minus 4 mm, which is a very big number. So in nutshell, when you need any tolerance, while you are making any AGV or any kind of blind meeting application, you need tolerance for your system. So you don't have to worry. Our connector with 4 mm tolerance maximum can take care of it. So you don't have to invest or invest your cost, your time in making sure that the 4 alignment is made. So yes, cost and space saving with ready to use solution. It replaces more accurate and very expensive guiding system. As I told you, it provides you cost benefit, and it can be used for various industries where the requirement of high tolerance is needed, testing equipments and docking applications like AGVs and all. So in terms of housing, we have six size different six sizes in aluminum and four different sizes in plastic. We can deliver it with pre-assembly also, and if you want it separately, we can deliver that all as well. And as I told previously, we have sizes from 18 to 180 mm, which is a very big range. And yes, our housing are coming with the IP protection, IP65 and IP68. So light housing, you can say, when we use plastic housing, it comes with the it's light. So the general highlights, it can be configured, reconfigured. Combitech is delivered already assembled to the customer, high mating cycle, high current, and 100% customizable. These are the some benefits which I spoke. This is a Combitech Direct series. Again, the same uh, contacts, but in this we have, it is up to 10,000 mating cycle, shock and vibration proof, and fire and smoke compliance, which is needed in railway. Important feature of Combitech Direct is it is tool free. You don't have to use any tool. Manually tool free insertion of carrier in frame, contacts in carrier, fast removal of carriers and contacts with standard flat screwdrivers. These are different frames we have. panel mounting frames, housing type frames, which comes in different 4 sizes. These are different type of frames. Like in the previous slide, it talks about panel mount type frames, and here it is housing type frames. And again, both Combitex are can be configured with the software. Anyone can go and visit our website and configure it. So finally, I want to show a video of Combitech, how it is helping to make your system move towards Industry 4.2. So now it shows that electrical contacts are in place and are mating. So you can see the screen is blinking because electrical contacts are made. Here, it's a fluid contact. So when the connectors are in mating condition, you can see the water is coming out. It's a small demo which shows that how it can make your system automatic. This is for pneumatic. So that was a small introduction of our, our connectors in which are helping to make your industry to move towards automation. And thank you very much for everyone to attend and participate in the session. So thank you.